Hey there, fellow escapists. I'm the escapee, your trusty guide in this channel, and a firm believer that life is a beautiful adventure waiting to be explored. Today, we are diving headfirst into a topic that resonates with so many of us: the quest to escape the 9-to-5 grind and unlock the life of freedom, passion, and purpose. Quảng Ninh, famous for its valuable mining resources, is also home to breathtaking natural wonders that capture the heart of travelers from around the globe. If you already explored the beauty of Hạ Long Bay, Koto Island, and Quay, we got a fresh destination to introduce to you: Khe Vằn. Khe Vằn, originating from Lục Mù Stream, cascade gracefully through rocky formations, resembling a mesmerizing veil of smoke, which is what Khe Vằn means in the local dialect. What makes Khe Vằn truly special is its unique three-tier structure. Each tier possesses a distinct charm, from the powerful rush of the first tier to the tranquil pull of the third. Located in the eastern part of Quảng Ninh, a mere 12 km from Bình Liêu town and around 100 km from the bustling city of Hạ Long, reaching this enchanting waterfall is an adventure in itself. You can choose from various modes of transport, including motorbike, public buses, self-driving, or even take a taxi to the nearby area. Khe Vằn experiences a tropical monsoon climate, so the best time to visit depends on your preference. The rainy season offers a spectacular display of waterfalls power, while the dry season provides a more serene atmosphere. When you are here, there is so much to explore. Each tier of the waterfall offers a unique experience, from the refreshing pool of the first tier to the enchanting rainbow formed by sunlight hitting the waterfall of the second tier. And when hunger strikes, you're in for a treat, my friend. While there aren't many restaurants nearby, you can bring your own food and have a delightful picnic by the waterfall. As you embark on your waterfall adventure, consider packing a delightful Mẹt Gà platter to enhance your experience. Picture this: the exquisite assortment of flavor and texture lay out before you as you sit by the pristine water of Khe Vằn. Each dish on your Mẹt Gà platter represents a unique taste of Vietnam, a culinary journey that perfectly complements the natural beauty of the waterfall. Whether it's the savory gà hấp, the crispy gà Quay, or the spicy gà xào xả ớt, every bite adds an extra layer of delight to your adventure. As you dine with friends and family, you are not just enjoying a meal, you are creating an unforgettable memory surrounded by smoothing sound of nature. So whether you are an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or food enthusiast, Khe Vằn in Quảng Ninh promises an unforgettable experience. Join us in our quest to explore the extraordinary, reconnect with nature, and immerse ourselves in the beauty of Khe Vằn. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoy this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. At last, if you are eager to embark on a self-discovery tour around Vietnam, we're here to assist you. Don't hesitate to get in touch with us via email or send us a message on Facebook. For more detail, please check the link in the video description below. Start your journey and explore the unique beauty of Vietnam with us. Until next time, happy exploring. Bye!